Spec sheets are essentially curated lists of parts that have been approved for use in a specific project. Since each parts catalog can contain thousands of components, it's important to use filters to narrow down the selection and make the spec building process more efficient. To begin, open the Spec Editor, then navigate to your desktop and see Exercise File, 0203 using filters and search box. Then choose X_Seeks 150 spec. Ensure the correct catalog is loaded. This should point to the ASM pipes and fittings folder within your exercise files. Quickly find parts using the search function with specific keywords and filter components based on desired properties. For example, under Filters, if you choose Long Description Family, then search FL as flang, the catalog will hide all other categories like pipe, valves, and bolts, showing only flanges. The same goes with size range. If you type 2, it will show sizes that include number 2, such as 1/2 inches or 24 inches. Click the button on the left side of the search bar to enable the property filter. Click the same button again to clear all filters. The property filter displays under the property name in the component list. You can filter for bolt set and define bolt sizes, for instance, components that go from 1/2 inches to 24 inches. Only the parts that meet that size will appear and be eligible for addition to your spec. Overall, every column in the catalog that contains information can be used for filtering. Columns with missing data will appear blank and can't be used. Filtering is a crucial step in building accurate and efficient specs, and in AutoCAD Plant 3D, it's designed to be straightforward. Once you've practiced this process a few times, you'll find that building specs becomes much quicker and easier.